I'm going to install the mid in all three places. The last thing you're also going to want to do is you have your original line from your head unit right here. These come with filters. So you're going to want to install the filter into the original line. This plugs into one side of those mid plugs. It doesn't matter which one. And then your tweeter will plug into the other. Let me get my tweeter in here. I'll show you what that looks like. All right, so as you can see, the tweeter is in. I'm going to put the foam over the top of that. The cable will come out through the bottom of the foam and out through the bottom of the plastic. Will work its way down and plug into the other side of the mid right here, which is just secured with those 3 screws. Really, really super simple. Like I said, this is an easy install. So go ahead and get this all secure. Go ahead and get this new trim back into place. Fit it around the window edge and into these little clips, and that will be good to go. And then we're going to put the door card back on. One quick last look here before we put the door card back on. Make sure that the back edge of this is lipped around the plastic and it's got a good secure grip. The post is pressed in. All those little clips along that line are set, and the tab here on both ends, but the tab here is all locked in. You can see the cable comes down. Make sure both plugs are in really firmly. These are really deep plugs, so make sure that they're pushed in all the way. I've had that happen where I'm like, the tweeter's not working after the install's done. It's because the plug wasn't in all the way. Okay, so make sure that those are set completely, and then we're gonna put the door card back on. So basically just hold the door card up. You're going to plug all of your same wiring harnesses back in, the ones you just took off. And then the Bowden cable, this end, you'll see when you took it off, it just kind of hooks in and snaps down into the assembly on the door pull. Make sure to put it back in this little clip right here.